Hi. I don't know what I was gonna say.
That was awkward. Well, welcome.
Happy December.
Happy December. It is December 1st now.
Yeah.
But
That's why I'm decked out. And you are too.
I'm just wearing green. Not as decked out as her, but
No.
eventually I'll get there. Get on her level. I have no idea what we're doing today, really.
It is kind of going to celebrate December.
Okay.
So I was at the grocery store last night, and I noticed all of the peppermint
Christmassy food.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
were out. So I looked for some things that I thought we should try.
I'm always up for trying new things.
Mostly peppermint flavored stuff. Okay. A little crooked, but I think it's okay.
I think we're good.
Okay. So, you want to see what I have?
So we have peppermint
Should I-
stuff and what? Or just peppermint?
Mostly
surprise?
peppermint, and then I think just one thing that I just saw and I thought we probably need to try that because it's weird. So should I set it all out first, or just pull one thing at a time? And we
One
try
thing
it?
at a time.
Okay. First thing. Mint Oreos.
I'm totally down for that.
Now, I don't really like a lot of mint flavored stuff.
So we're gonna try a lot of stuff that you don't like.
Probably.
Or maybe you'll be surprised and be like, "Oh, this
Maybe.
is good."
Yeah.
'Cause
Like
you
I
want-
like thin mints, like the cookies.
Oh, yeah. You have any of those in that bed?
No. They don't have those at the store. Not
That's
yet.
true.
Okay.
They smell like Thin Mints.
They do.
Ugh. They taste like Thin Mints.
Mm-hmm. I didn't think I'd like these.
I'm gonna have more of these later.
Yeah, I would eat these again. Like the rest of this.
The whole package.
Yeah.
Okay. Item number 1. Perfect. Oreos, mint Oreos. We recommend. Thumbs up.
Okay. This one I know I'm not gonna like. Peppermint marshmallows.
Oh, do you not like marshmallows?
No.
She also doesn't like melted cheese, like on pizza, like deep dish pizza. That's strange. Okay.
Yeah. So I know I'm not gonna like it because I don't like marshmallows, but I'm just curious.
So like
how strong this flavor
at like
is.
a weenie roast, like you don't roast marshmallows. Wow,
No.
those are my favorite. They don't smell minty.
Mm-mm.
They don't taste minty.
They just taste like a marshmallow.
They do just taste like marshmallow.
I thought maybe it was because I didn't like take a drink in between.
So if you like marshmallows, you're gonna like peppermint
I
marshmallows.
could only taste the mint from the Oreo still.
Mm-hmm. Whatever. Item number 2 we recommend. Well,
Yeah.
I do.
But you might as well just get regular marshmallows, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. This is a weird one. Chocolate candy cane pretzel goldfish.
That's a lot of combination, like a lot of things combined.
Yeah.
Okay. Chocolate, candy cane, pretzel, goldfish.
Yeah. If I can open it.
So it's like, are they, like all of that is
Oh.
into one? Or is it like a
No.
mixture? Oh,
It's like a
combination.
mixture, because see? Like,
So are the chocolate
are-
ones, they're the candy cane, chocolate.
like these are two different. So it's just like, are these just pretzel?
I mean, this chocolate one smells minty. Candy
Yeah, it
cane.
does.
I didn't really like them, like the chocolatey part. I didn't really taste the mint.
I got a little taste of mint afterwards. There's like mint in the pretzel.
Yeah, I mean, they're not bad. I wouldn't buy them.
I wouldn't.
Nothing.
I mean, I did, but I wouldn't again.
Yeah, it's not very minty. I'll say that.
Yeah. It doesn't make me think of the holidays.
No, except for the bag.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I need to drink a lot of water, like, because mint is very strong, you know?
I know.
Hard to cleanse my palate.
Okay. I think a lot of people like these.
Ooh.
Mint M&Ms.
You can't go wrong with mint M&Ms. Any M&Ms.
An M&M, yeah. Ooh, there's all different kinds of green.
Ooh, different shades of green. I better get one of each. I don't know. Can't really hold them up that way.
Yeah.
That's kind of awkward.
Okay.
It's like an Andes mint.
Mm-hmm.
I love Andes chocolates. Mint chocolate things.
I like Andes.
Mm-hmm.
I like these. I mean, I prefer regular M&Ms, I think.
I prefer peanut M&Ms.
Peanut butter is my favorite.
Peanuts, my favorite. Peanut butter, probably my second.
Yeah. But these aren't bad.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Should I save the really weird one for last?
Yeah, I'm a
Okay.
little nervous about it.
Okay. This is a kind of weird one. White chocolate, peppermint, caramel corn. Again, that's a lot of flavors.
Yeah, like why do they feel the need to throw everything into one container? You know?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of caramel corn, so mint with the caramel corn?
And chocolate.
Intriguing. No chocolate. Oh,
Because there's white chocolate too.
white chocolate, caramel corn, mint.
Yeah, there's just a lot happening there.
Looks like there's like blood.
There's a lot of flavors too. Or like scents.
Yeah, kind of like a salty with the.
Yeah.
It looks like there's like blood on the. So it's like red.
It's a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this one has
It's
a big
weird.
chunk of. Is that chocolate?
Yeah, that's the white chocolate. I don't know. I can taste all the flavors. Like the caramel corn and the mint and the chocolate.
I don't get the mint.
I don't think
I think that was Miss Moore.
I don't think I'd eat it again.
I didn't taste the mint. I tasted the caramel corn and the chocolate, not the mint.
I didn't really like that.
My favorite is still the Oreos. You can't go wrong with Oreos.
Okay, you're gonna like this one.
Okay. Woo! Is it ice cream? Thin Mint cereal.
Thin mint cereal.
Wow.
That's what when you asked if
So-
I had thin mints, I almost said kind of, but I didn't want to give it away.
Do you have any milk?
No. Just
a
the
lot of-
cafeteria.
So I feel like this wouldn't be very healthy. Not a healthy cereal.
Yeah.
I feel like I need a real Thin Mint to try in comparison with the.
Doesn't smell like real thin mints.
Smells like a cardboard box.
Yeah. But like this, it's like coming out of the cereal.
The cereal smells like cardboard. That doesn't seem good.
Yeah, not off to a good start.
You try it first.
I don't taste the mint. It just kind of tastes like.
This does not taste like Thin Mints.
It just tastes like Cocoa Puffs or something.
I've never had Cocoa Puffs. It's like very crunchy and airy. Puffy.
I don't get any mint.
I don't
taste,
like
though.
that. I do not recommend Thin Mint cereal.
Yeah. Okay, last thing, and this one is not mint.
So this is a weird one.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Wavy milk chocolate covered covered potato chips.
Yeah.
So it's like a potato chip covered in chocolate.
Dipped in chocolate.
So salty and sweet.
Yeah.
Like chocolate covered peanuts.
Yeah.
I feel optimistic about this.
Yeah. I don't, like, it's weird, but I
It's gonna be
think it'll be
really-
good.
Yeah. It's a small bag.
Yeah. Okay. So they're not, like, completely covered.
Halfway covered.
In the front, but the back is still just looks like
It's kinda heavy.
chip. Yeah, like it's thick.
Yeah, it's a lot of chocolate. It's not that crunchy. Tastes like chocolate. And then
It tastes like exactly what it is. Like you taste the chip a little. Mostly you taste the chocolate.
I'd rather eat some regular chips and then eat some chocolate. Like separate, you know?
It's good though. I don't dislike it.
I don't know. I was more optimistic about it.
Do you like
And then,
salted chocolate? Like if you're like, you know how like sometimes they salt like chocolate chip cookies or stuff like that?
yeah.
That's what like this reminds me of. It's just like salted chocolate.
Again, I'd rather eat the Oreos.
Yeah,
That
I
is
think
kinda
those were
weird.
the best things that we had.
Yeah.
For sure.
Mint. Okay.
So
Cool.
now we have all this food. And we're gonna do something exciting with it, right?
We are. I can't remember what you said we should do, but it was a great idea. I remember that.
Okay, so unfortunately, I don't think our classes can participate because we
No.
show the video in class.
Yes.
Sorry. But for the rest of the school, we're gonna have all this food, except maybe the Oreos.
I may keep these. I may eat them by Monday or Tuesday. Wait, when are we? Tuesday.
Yeah. So I guess, would it be Wednesday then that we would have it? So Wednesday morning, after you've watched this video,
These are so good.
we will have some of the snacks with us, and we're gonna hide some of the snacks in the school. So the first, like 3 people that come to us,
Yeah, 3.
first 3 people who come find one of us that morning, we will
Wednesday morning.
give you a snack. Maybe we'll like make a combination of stuff, or I don't know.
Yeah, we'll
have
make
to-
baggies full of stuff.
Yeah. So the first 3 people who find us can get one. Or if you follow us on Instagram, we're gonna post Wednesday morning on Instagram the location, or maybe just like a hint to the location, like a riddle, or like a riddle,
Yeah.
of where we're gonna hide the rest of the snacks.
Yes.
So follow us on Instagram. Teach.Eat.Laugh.
You don't even know our name.
I was afraid I was gonna say it in the wrong order.
Teach.Eat.Laugh. Follow us.
Okay, and then Wednesday morning we'll post the location, and it'll be in baggies. So first ones to get it. I mean, don't take like all the baggies if you're the first one,
Yeah.
but take a baggie. Don't tell other people because they
No.
have to follow us on Instagram to find out.
Yeah.
Keep it a secret.
Follow us on Insta. Subscribe to our channel. And yeah.
And then you'll get to taste some of this delicious and not so delicious food.
Yeah.
Maybe, I feel like some of you guys are gonna like this stuff that we don't, but
I bet they'll like the potato chips. The milk chocolate covered potato chips.
I think some people would like these M&Ms.
I like the M&Ms.
I mean,
M&Ms and Oreos.
those were okay.
Can't really go wrong.
Yeah. So,
Cool.
all right. See you later.
Peace.